Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, release date and pre-orders. Just when many would have thought that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 were the only foldable devices released by Samsung in 2024, some exciting news emerged on the horizon, as Samsung is set to launch its long-rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra in select markets. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra is likely to be Samsung's first ever Ultra-branded foldable, a slimmer version of the currently available Galaxy Z Fold 6. Earlier, there were reports that the company had stopped working on this upgraded foldable. However, recent reports suggest that the Galaxy Z Fold Ultra appears to have surfaced online via a retailer. The special edition foldable phone recently surfaced in South Korea, a confirmed market for its release, and is already available for pre-orders at the local T-store. The report also indicated that the upgraded foldable is anticipated to have a larger 8-inch main display, along with a thickness of 10.6mm when folded, while in its open state, it will be 4.9mm thick. Notably, the slimmest Z Fold will have a greater thickness when closed compared to Google's Pixel's 9 Fold Pro, which is claimed as the thinnest foldable phone. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra is expected to be available for pre-orders in South Korea from October 18th to October 24th, with an official date set for October 25th. However, the release date is yet to be announced in the US.